Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and I am the subject matter expert in mathematics. Today we will solve some self-practice exercise questions 3B of chapter 3 Playing with Numbers of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. Let's get started. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. What we will learn today? Today we will learn self-practice exercise questions. Self-practice exercise 3B, questions 1 to 8 of chapter Playing with Numbers, and topics are divisibility rules and properties of divisibility. Now we'll discuss about the divisibility rules. First one is divisibility by 2. If the last digit of the number is even, then the number is divisible by 2. Second one is divisibility by 3. If the sum of all its digits are divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Third one is divisibility by 4. If the last two digits of the number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Fourth is divisibility by 5. If the last digit of the number is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Now we'll discuss about the divisibility rule of 6. Divisibility by 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. 6. Divisibility by 8. If the last three digits of the number is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. 7. Divisibility by 9. If the sum of all its digits is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. 8. Divisibility by 10. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 5, then the number is divisible by 10. These are the divisibility rules of the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Now we will solve question number 1, and question number 1 is which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? Numbers given are 206, 7018, 197, 20008, 5023, 148, 9 lakhs 4301. We know a number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is even, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. First number is 206. Here 206, your last digit is 6. Last digit is 6, that is even. So this number is divisible by 2. Second number 7018. Here last digit of 7018 is 8. 8 is even and it is divisible by 2. So 7018 is divisible by 2. 197. Here last digit is 7. It is not even. So it is not divisible by 2. So 197 is not divisible by 2. 20,008. Here last digit is 8. It is even, so this number is divisible by 2. 20,008 will be divisible by 2. 5023. Here last digit is 3. Last digit is 3, which is not even. So this number 5023 is not divisible by 2. 148. Last digit is 8, which is even. So this number 148 is divisible by 2. 9 lakhs 4301. Here last digit of this number is 1, which is not even. So this number 9,04,301 is not divisible by 2. So we get the number 206, 7,018, 2,008, 20,008 and 148. These four numbers only divisible by 2 as its last digit are even. So from this number we know that the number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is even. Now we will solve question number 2. Question number 2 is which of these numbers are divisible by 3? The numbers given are 48, 594, 307, 3096, 26,504 and 6,09,530. We know a number is divisible by 3 if its digit sum, that is sum of the digits of that number, is divisible by 3. Sum of its digit is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. First number is 48. Here sum of the digits of 48 is 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 is 1 plus 2. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. 48 is divisible by 3. Then second number 594. Here sum of the digit is 5 plus 9 plus 4. 5 plus 9 plus 4 is 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So 594 is divisible by 3. Then 307. 307 here sum of the digit is 3 plus 0 plus 7. 3 plus 0 plus 7 is 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. So 307 is not divisible by 3. Now 3096. 3096 digit sum, that is sum of the digit is 3 plus 0 plus 9 plus 6. 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 9 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18. We know 18 is divisible by 3. So 3096 is divisible by 3. Next number is 26,504. Here sum of the digit is 2 plus 6 plus 5 plus 0 plus 4. 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 0 is 13, 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. So this number 26,504 is not divisible by 3. Now 6,09,513. 6,09,513. Sum of the digit is 6 plus 0 plus 9 plus 5 plus 1 plus 3. That is 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. We know 24 is divisible by 3. So this number 6,09,513 is divisible by 3. Now we'll solve question number 3. Question number 3, which of these numbers are divisible by 4? The numbers given are 524, 914, 35,802, 71,316, 7,150 and 80 lakhs 1,008. We know if the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4, then the number will be divisible by 4. If the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Here first number given is 524. 524, last two digit of the number 524 is 24. 24 is divisible by 4. It's 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. So 24 is divisible by 4. So 524 will be divisible by 4. Second number 914. Here last two digit of the number 914 is 14. We know 14 is not divisible by 4. So this number 914 will not divisible by 4. Now third number is 35,802. Here last two digit of the number 35,802 is 02, which is not divisible by 4. 02 is not divisible by 4. So 35,802 will not divisible by 4. Next number is 71,360. Here last two digit of the number 71,316 is 16. We know 16 is divisible by 4. So this number 71,316 will be divisible by 4. Now we'll check the number 7150 is divisible by 4 or not. Here 7150, last two digit of this number is 50. We know 50 is not divisible by 4. So this number 7150 will not divisible by 4. Next number is 80 lakhs 1008. In this number 80 lakhs 1008, last two digit of this number is 08. 08 is divisible by 4. So this number will be divisible by 4. So 80 lakhs 1008 will be divisible by 4. So in these questions 524 is divisible by 4, 914 is not divisible by 4, S14 is not divisible by 4 and 35,802 is will not divisible by 4, it's 02 that is not divisible by 4 and 71,316 is divisible by 4, S16 last two digits 16 is divisible by 4 and 7150 will not divisible by 4 as last two digit is 50 is not divisible by 4 and 80 lakhs 1008 is divisible by 4 as last two digit is 08. 08 is divisible by 4. So in this questions 524, 71,316 and 80 lakhs 1008. these three numbers are divisible by 4. So from these questions we have learned that if the last two digits of the number is divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 4. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, which of these numbers are divisible by 5? We have to find the numbers from these numbers. Which numbers are divisible by 5? We know a number is divisible by 5 if its last digit, that is unit digit, is 0 or 5. Then that number will be divisible by 5. First number is 365. In 365, last digit, that is unit digit, is 5. In 365, last digit is 5. 5 is divisible by 5, so this number 365 will be divisible by 5. Second number is 649. In 649, last digit is 9, which is not 0 or 5, and 9 is not divisible by 5. So 649 will not divisible by 5. Now we will check the number 7290 is divisible by 5 or not. In this number 7290, last digit, that is the unit digit, is 0. 0 is, so this number 7290 will be divisible by 5. If we know the number is divisible by 5 if its last digit, that is the unit digit, is 0 or 5. In this number 7290, last digit is 0. So this number will be divisible by 5. Next number is 21,340. In this number 21,340, last digit is 0. 0. So this number, say 21,340, will be divisible by 5. Now we will check 43,027 is divisible by 5 or not. In this number 43,027, last digit of this number is 7, which is not equal to 0 or 5. So this number 43,027 is not divisible by 5. Then next number is 845. 845, last digit of this number is 5, which is divisible by 5. So this number 845 will be divisible by 5. So from these questions we know that if a number is divisible by 5, then its last digit will be 0 or 5. If the last digit of the number is 0 or 5, then that number will be divisible by 5. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. If you have any doubt, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.